Hi, my name is David. Today we're going to do a CSS Flexbox tutorial on freeCodeCamp. We're going to learn about the flex grow property to expand items. So the flex grow is pretty much the opposite of flex shrink. Flex grow shrink controls the size of the items when the container shrinks. The flex grow property controls the size of the items when the parent container expands. So and flex grow also take in the values of integers and is how many times it will grow. So for this exercise, we want to add the flex grow property to box 1. We can go here, add it to box 1, colon, and it has a value of 1. And we can see it shows up here now. And then we add a value of 2 for box 2, and this orange row will be bigger than the blue one because it expands twice as much. And that's it. That'll be all for this one. Thank you so much.